Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool Mickey Mouse telephone, and this is the initial checkout of this telephone, and this is Wilbert's telephone from PA. And basically he's got a note here. He says static on calls with voice interruption seems to ring. That works okay. And so basically what he's saying is the telephone has a lot of static and it's cutting out, and he's having problems with it. And these Mickey Mouse telephones with this 210 AT&T handset were really highly sought after. They're very good telephones and highly collectible. So basically what we're going to do here is we're going to check this telephone out a little bit, and right off I can tell that someone has equated the handset cord by the way it's been bent a lot, and you can see the cracking going on. It's also down here where it plugs in at the base of the telephone here. And so somebody's been bending this cord back and forth. The cord is not an issue. It's become an issue after the problem started from all the bending back and forth. So we're going to have to repair this handset cord at both ends. But if you notice, we're getting a line out if I push the handset cord in. But if I let go of it or pull it back a little, we lose our analyzer. So it's going to seize the analyzer just as soon as I push the cord in. And I'll give you some dial tone. And as soon as I pull the cord out a little bit, we get static and it loses dial tone. I'll try to move it around some. So it's intermittent, and basically we're going to go ahead and repair the cord on it. I have another cord here that I'm going to connect up just to show you that it's not his cord that's causing the problem. It's actually in the handset. So we want to get this other cord plugged in here real quick. Dial tone, but if I pull on the cord, so you can see it's not the cord, it's actually in the handset. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and take this handset apart, and we're going to troubleshoot the issue inside. I suspect I'm going to find a lot of bad solder and some problems on the inside of the handset. So we'll take a short break and we'll be right back, and we'll try to get some more video of this repair as we move along in repairing the telephone. So we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and so what we've done here is I went ahead and replaced both ends on the cords for the handset. So we no longer need that, and this is the second one. We can move them out of the way. And so I've been through this PC board and troubleshooted it and resoldered everything that needed to be soldered. There's a lot of times you can have, from expansion and contraction, you can have a lot of poor solder points, and so we repaired all that. Now this telephone has a 3-volume controlled switch for your receive, and a lot of times, just from experience in the past, you'll have issues with the low, medium, and high setting on the volume control. And so we like to take care of that issue or preventive maintenance on it. So we clean that, resolder it, and take care of that also while we're in the telephone. Might as well do it now. We're in the telephone, and so we go ahead and take care of that. And we also fix up any other solder points that we don't like when we find it. So now what we can do is I'm going to go ahead and test the telephone. I'm going to give you some dial tone, and I want to pull on the cord now. I also want to pull at the cord down here at the base. And as you can see, we're not losing dial tone or any static now. So we also want to ring the telephone. I'll let that go one more time. And if you watch the analyzer, we're going to dial a 2, then I'm going to go 6, 2, and then I want to transmit into the handset. Every time you see that red light, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. So now we can take a short break from the video, and I'll put the telephone back together again, and we'll do our final checks. So we'll be right back. We're back now, and we are finished up with this repair. And so basically I want to show you another issue. It looks like someone was putting tape on this telephone to keep the cord in place. So we're going to take care of that sticky stuff right now. We're going to get that off of there and remove that, because they'll no longer need to put any kind of tape or something to hold the cord with now. It's secure, and it's been repaired. So we're going to go ahead and do our final checks now, and I'll go ahead and ring the phone. We're going to let that go a few times. Go ahead and answer the telephone. We'll pull on the cord again. We'll twist the phone. So all the bad solder points have been taken care of. I'm also want to check the volume control. I'll do the different settings on it. That's low, medium, and high. Low, medium, and high. If you watch the analyzer, we'll walk through our numbers. I'm going to end it at 2. I want to hang up. I want to hit redial. It should end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset, but I'm also going to hit the mute button. So when I'm transmitting, you're going to see the red light on the analyzer go. It's going to light up. But then I'm also going to press the mute button, and I'll tell you when I'm pressing it, and that way you'll see the light go out. So we're going to go ahead and transmit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, but I'm going to turn the mute button on, and you won't see that red light, but now I'm going to let go of it, and you'll see the red light again. So we know the mute button is working. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. When you see that red light, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. Hello, hello. So we know this telephone is working now, and that it has been repaired. So what we're going to do is, I have a switch box here. All I have to do is press this button, and it totally takes the analyzer out of the situation, and we go over to another line. So the analyzer sees the telephone. We're going to pull on the cord. You can see there's no static, or it's not cutting out or losing any dial tone. We want to go ahead and push our switch. That gives us a line out. Now I want to call a time and temp.
Good evening. 2 Ford stores, one great company, Offenburg Ford. A short drive to great value. Today is Tuesday, March 26th. The time is 7:29. Current temperature 44 degrees. Now the Belleville area weather forecast. Mostly clear overnight, lows in the mid-20s, partly cloudy Wednesday, a high in the mid-40s.
Okay. We can call one other number. We can call my number and it'll be busy. Give you some dial tone. So now that we know that this telephone has been repaired, we can return it to Wilbert and he can start enjoying his telephone. Now these Mickey Mouse telephones with a 210 AT&T handset, like I said earlier, are very sought after. They're highly collectible. The handset here was a very, very good telephone, AT&T 210 model, and a lot of times what would happen with these is if something went wrong with a handset, they would get misplaced for Mickey. So a lot of times you'll find Mickey, but you will not find this red handset. And you know, it's kind of hard to locate one of the red handsets, the 210 models, just for that simple fact that you know, usually they came with Mickey, and yeah, they had them out, you know, in the public for in red, but they're hard to find. And a lot of times you'll, like I said, you'll find Mickey, but you won't find the handset. It got misplaced from Mickey if something went wrong with it. So, you know, these red handsets are highly sought after just because they use them for Mickey, and they're a cool phone even if they're on their own. The 210 AT&T was a really good telephone. So some of the last good equipment out there was right here in this handset. So this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.